Hello everyone. Today we're doing lab 11.4.11, configure smart devices. This is the scenario and here are the tasks. Let's get this done. Okay, so first we have to create the following rooms for the smart devices in the TestOut Home app, this right here. So to do that, you're going to go to TestOut Home, go to the top left corner, these three lines, room settings, and we're going to name this the lobby. Of course, you can just do new room and leave the default. Perfect. Next, we are going to add a new room. Next room is going to be main hall. Save it. Perfect. And then next is going to be office one. Save that. Perfect. We have the three rooms available needed. That has been done. Next, we're going to configure the devices in the lobby as follows. So for lobby, we're going to install the camera, install and configure smart light switch, install and configure smart lock, and install a smart assistant. So we're going to go back to the lobby right here. We're going to click on this plus. We're going to scroll down. So for lobby, the smart light switch is this pairing code. You can just copy, Control V, paste it. So that is for the smart light switch right here, smart light switch, add device. Click on it to turn it on. Bam. Click back on the plus. Next, the smart lock. Again, just copy, paste it. Click smart lock, add device, turn it on. Next is the smart assistant. Again, copy, paste it. What was it? Hold on. We have two, so smart assistant. Perfect. Next is the last is the lobby camera. Add device. Perfect. Look at this, by the way. Isn't this cool? All right. Next is the main hall. Let's go to main hall. All we're gonna add is the smart thermostat. So copy this code, click on the plus sign, paste the code in, the pairing code, click on smart thermostat. It's gonna add like four things. Now, when it comes to the thermostat, we do have to install. We have to configure the thermostat. It's got to be set to 72 degrees. Click on the smart thermostat. Drop the cooling to 72. Bring the heating up to 72. Done. Next, we're going to go to the Office 1, which requires a smart outlet as well as the office camera. So for the smart outlet, again, copy the pairing code, click the plus sign, paste that code there, click on smart outlet. Last is the office camera. Paste it in, office camera. Let's turn that on. Yep, we have to turn it on. Everything off has to be turned on. Let's see. Let's go look at this. Should be good on that. Let's score it. Perfect. We're all good. Thank you all for watching. I hope this video was helpful. Here's the more in-depth explanation. Yeah, have a great day.